Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in
Hi, welcome back to my channel. So, new wig today. Shout out to Unice for sending me this to show you guys and try it out. So this is their new V part. So I know if you're like me, you're probably like, what the heck? I thought they just had a new V part. I did too, but apparently they are listening to us and they are making these wigs better and better. Let me show you guys what I noticed so far on the new unit before we put it on. Let's just go over the details really quick. So it has the mesh dome cap in the inside, which is perfect because it is starting to warm up, so you don't have to worry about sweating. So it's a complete mesh material all the way around. It also has the removable elastic band. It has one of these combs on each side as the big comb in the back, and then this one also has the silicone grips to go around the back to keep it from sliding. And then this is one of the newest improvements, and it is the drawstring in the back. So it has this drawstring that comes with these little latches right here that you use to lock it in place if the wig is too big or if it's just not fitting snug. And then in the front it has these clamp clips, the ones that snap like clip-ins, and then it has this one right here. I hate this one, so I'm going to take this one out, but these four are right here, and then this little band right here you cut off when you put the wig on. The biggest improvement for me is the actual V part of the wig. So this part they had already did. They put this layer of hair over the track so you don't have to worry about the track showing. But for me, this was really bulky on the last version of it. So if you have finer hair like me, then you still had to leave out more leave out than you want to when you're doing something like this, because this can be used as a protective style because the rest of your hair is put up. Obviously, the original one that they put the little extra layer of hair over, it was really bulky right here. So I had to leave out a lot of hair in the front so that it will cover it. But this one, I don't know if you guys tell, but it is super thin. Like this entire track is super thin and super flat, and it still has that layer of hair covering the track that's hiding underneath. So I think this is going to be so good because I really did like the other one, but again, I had to leave out like way more than this. I had to leave out like a wide amount of hair so that it didn't look like a lump was under here. But this one is so thin. So let's see. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to cut away this little band right here. And now it's just like this. So I have my hair braided up already because I'm going through my protective styling phase. So I'm really just trying to leave my hair alone for the most part. I am using a little bit of heat in the front, but that is fine. I'm trying to grow my hair out, y'all. So I have it braided up. Y'all know normally I would just do 2 little braids, but I'm trying to be proactive about keeping my hair just up and out of the way. So I have it braided like this, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. Okay, so I realized that this goes all the way up higher, so I'm going to braid my little side edges up because I don't need them. Okay, so I'm going to braid this away if I can.
ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying.
Okay, so I braided up the sides now, and now this is all that I have out.
I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improve. But you ain't even flexing, and you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside the most. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused. But you ain't even flexing, and you cool, tatted up.
So it's definitely way flatter right here, and the cap fits way better.
Different vibe, you know improve. But you ain't even flexing, 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 but you ain't even flexing.
beyond flat. The cap actually fits good. It's not as small as it could be, but I have like a flat head in the back, y'all. So like I usually get that droop. I'm not getting it with this. It is a little bit big, but it's flat. It is freaking flat. So that is a plus. Again, because I did have to pull it all the way forward. I forgot that this one has like kind of like a little edge right here where you don't have to leave your edges out if you don't want to. So with me pulling it all the way forward, it makes it fit so much better. And this is what it looks like. Like, look at the texture. It's so freaking pretty. It's so much hair, but it's so pretty. I kind of like it just blown out like this. Okay, so I'm deciding on riding it. So I'm using my Numi 3-in-1. I've been having this for freaking years. I don't know what size this is. I think it's the 1/2-inch barrel. But I'll leave a link for it down below. And this is about to take forever. Oh my goodness.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Okay, look, so I'm all done. This is what it looked like. I don't know how long that took, but I'm gonna look on my phone and see because my arms are hurting. But it came out so cute. Like, it did take it up a bit because it was so long. But it's so cute, so full and fluffy. I didn't use any holding spray or anything like that, and they are holding up. I just put a little bit of that Olaplex oil and then ran my fingers through it. Was it worth it? Yes, because look at this. Like, I didn't even straighten my hair. My hair was blow dried when it was in those little braids. I used my Rev Air was out. I used my Rev Air to blow dry my hair, so that gets it pretty flat. So I didn't even have to add any additional heat or anything because of the texture of this unit, y'all. And it came out so good. And now I want to see something else.
I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something.
Okay, loves, so I am all done. I'll have everything down below for you guys, including coupon codes and everything that I used. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and hit that little thumbs up. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.
You when we get home, if you let me put it down. When I come in town, you should slide on me.